What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode. Well, this would be Magic Review, but I got tired of doing the tricks from China, so I went to a trusted site, a site I really like, magictricks.com, and I received a package. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this package. I'm not going to review anything or rate anything today because I want to practice it and stuff like that, and got a lot of great tricks here, so let's get started. Got some paper here. Got a paper here. One of my tricks wasn't shipped. Circle to square wasn't shipped, so we won't be checking that one out today. But that's what I like about magictricks.com. Whenever they don't ship something right away, because either it's out or there's a problem, they let you know. So it's always a good thing. Wow, we got a bag in here. Alright, we're going to pull them out one at a time. Alright. What do we got here? We've got a drooping flower. Well, that's pretty cool. It looks like it's feathers. It's going to be an awesome part of a clown act. I know how it works. I've had one before. I think it's really cool. So the drooping flower. Now, stick around. Well, later on we'll watch. I'll be doing some reviews on all this stuff, but it won't be in this video. Okay, next up we have. I thought that's what that was. The blooming blossom. It looks just like this flower right here. So, the blooming blossom. I've never owned this before, but it's a great clown prop. Really cool. I really like it. Oh, I was expecting this to be Magic Makers. It's real weird. It's got something with it. A piece of paper with it. We'll try to. I don't know. Hold on. There we go. Oh wow, the instructions. This is a color change wand, and in all honesty, it looks like a custom build. It's a little bit better quality than what I was expecting. I wasn't expecting this good a quality with this. Wow. I can't wait to review this. This is pretty sweet. Color change wand. Alright, let's see what else we got in here. Oh, this is by Magic Makers. This is a one-way forcing deck. One-way forcing deck. I can't wait to do the review on this because this is going to be awesome. I love stuff by Magic Makers. I think Magic Makers makes a lot of really good stuff. And if I'm not mistaken, that was a pretty cheap price. $5.99. It's really good for that deck of cards. Let's see here. Oh yeah. This is a trick I seen from the Amazing Jonathan. It's one of the tricks I really like. It's going to be amazing. The electric deck. I'm like super excited. The electric deck. Amazing Jonathan. He's got one of the better performances of this. And I bought a lot of joke stuff because I want to add more jokes and comedy into my routine. So, wow. The electric deck. Let's see here. What's this? This is. It says it's Acrobatic Queens. This can't be right. I'm hoping that this is the free gift because I ordered a large stage version of this. And man, magictricks.com's never wrong. I hope it. Alright. I don't see the stage version in here. As soon as I get done with this video, I'm going to email them. Holy cow. I can't believe they sent me the wrong stuff. Acrobatic Queens. I ordered the jumbo set for the stage version. Shoot, I just got done saying how good magictricks.com was too. I'm going to email them as soon as I get off this video, and we're going to see what happens. That really upsets me. Oh, rattlesnake eggs. I probably shouldn't even shot this video because I've ordered 3 of these and I only got 1. So, yeah, not really having a good time right here. This isn't funny at all. Rattlesnake eggs. I can't wait to put this in my show. This is going to be a lot of fun, a lot of amazement. One of my favorite pranks. Alright guys, I'm sitting here in the studio and I was getting some practice in on the old cups and balls here, my routine, and excuse me, I received an email from magictricks.com. Now this is less than 2 hours since I sent the complaint in where I was missing my acrobatic queens and rattlesnake eggs, and I get this from a magician, Peter Moneycup, who owns magictricks.com. He writes to me, "Hi Jason, thank you for letting me know your acrobatic queen has shrunk and 2 of your rattlesnake eggs has hatched and got away. I'll have your jumbo acrobatic queen and 2 more rattlesnake eggs off to you on Tuesday. Monday is a postal holiday. Keep the magic going and please let me know you got this email. Thanks, Peter." Man, that's awesome. I told you that they would do me right. I had total faith in it. I was just a little bit upset whenever I first seen that. Man, it was just crazy. But, like I said, owner Peter Moneycup emailed me personally, let me know that my stuff's on its way, so everything's good to go. And this here, the squeaker, is going to be a lot of fun. Oh, I can't wait to do a review on this. This little stupid clown trick right here is just amazing. I think I got it for like next to nothing. Let's see here. I can't find it, but I know it was like dirt cheap. 79 cents. 79 cents. And it's a funny little prank to pull on somebody. Now, let's get the... Oh, I got something else. Oh, we got a couple things in there. Crystal Money Tube. The Crystal Money Tube, I had this whenever I was a kid, and I just really wanted it, so I went ahead and bought it. I can't wait to do the review on this and show you guys exactly what it does. As a matter of fact, when I was a kid, I had this exact same one from this exact same company. They haven't even changed anything in years. That's awesome. So this is going to be a lot of fun. I don't think I paid very much for this. Oh, plus I get a free online video with this. Alright. I get a free online video with this one. I haven't pulled the other one out yet. I get free online videos, so and I can't wait to check them out. Alright. Oh, I forgot they did this. Free gift. This is a free gift from magictricks.com. Let's see what we got in here. We'll go ahead and open it up. Oh, looks like we got 2 free gifts. We got the Animal Mentalism one, which is it's called Animal Hunter. I'll go ahead and do a review on that later, which is a lot of fun. And I've got Clip Card. Clip Card, I've actually used to go down to a local bar, and I used to use this trick to win Pepsi, because I didn't drink beer, nothing like that, so I'd go down there and have the local drunks try to do this trick, and whenever they'd lose, they'd have to buy me a Pepsi. Yeah, it was a lot of fun. Alright, so now let's get into my one that I've never seen before. I've never seen this trick before, and I've been wanting to see it because out of all the magic stuff I've seen in my life, I've never seen this trick. So, and I've seen a lot of tricks. I've bought a lot of tricks, had a lot of fun. Here it is, the final trick. Oh, wow. It's called Egg Mazing. It looks like it's a custom build. Oh my goodness, it is a custom build. So this is probably something from Magician Peter Montecup or something of that nature. That is really cool. I can't wait to actually get started on this because I've never seen this trick performed before. So that's really cool. And that's what I got from magictricks.com. So after I talked good about them, I actually did not get my Acrobatic Queens Jumbo size plus it. Instead, they sent me this one right here, the small one. And I did not get 2 of my rattlesnake eggs, which really sucks because I was going to give them out to a couple of different kids. And they said, they wrote on here, I don't know if you can read that, it says, will ship. They will ship my square circle, or squaring the circle. So, hold on one second. Let's see here. Alright, let's see if we can get a hold of magictricks.com. Just bear with me for 1 minute, because I got it all saved in my email. Okay. Let's just go ahead and email them right now. Let's see here. Okay. Contact us. MT7. Well, I'm not going to say my order number. Is my order number. Okay. The problem is I ordered the Acrobatic Queen plus it but instead got the small one. I also ordered 3 packs of rattlesnake eggs, but only received 1. Please help me with this. Thank you. Send. Alright, so if I hear anything back from magictricks.com, I'll let you guys know what happened. And we'll see, we'll go from there. I'm Jason Riggs from Pizza Wolf Magic. Thank you for watching this video, and in all honesty, guys, I've never been done wrong by magictricks.com. I've ordered so much stuff off them before. This is the first time anything like this has happened, and I'm pretty sure that they'll make it right. Heck, one time I even talked to Magician Peter Montecup on there, and he sent me autographs, and I'm sure this is just a fluke. So, catch me in the next video.